Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss machine learning. Basically, what is machine learning? Okay, so machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers learns patterns from the data and make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed for every task. So, see, in simple definition, instead of writing every rule manually, we give data to the computer and the computer learns from the data. Okay, what it means? Suppose you are basically working on any object or creating something. You will write the code manually. Okay, right? But that is not the case of machine learning. You will give the data to your computer. You will create the model, computer will learn from the data, and then it will make predictions on new data. Suppose I have basically trained the model in a data set. Suppose I have total experience of 2.5 years and I have the salary of 25,000. Someone has the experience of 5 years and he has a salary of 50,000. And then let's suppose you will give a data to your model for predicting. Suppose someone is working from 10 years. So what should be the salary of that person? So it will predict for on that new data. Okay, that is what machine learning. Okay, now let's understand what is basic workflow of machine learning. Okay, first step one, collect data. We gather data from different sources. For example, you are working on a house price data set. You collected this data set. Area is this. There are total two bedrooms, three bedrooms, and their prices are 50 lakhs and 75 lakhs. Okay, this is what you collected. Okay, now let's move to the second step. You will clean the data. You will not have only two rows in your data. It will have you will have millions of records. You can have millions of records in your data set. Then it may have some missing values, some duplicates values, wrong data. Then you need to clean this data before building the model. Now you clean the model. Now go to step three. Step three will be your training the model. You will give the data to the ML algorithm. There are many algorithms of ML. Okay, you have given data to a ML algorithm. The model learns patterns from the data you provided to that ML algorithm. For example, bigger houses usually cost more. More bedrooms increases prices. These are patterns learned by the model. Okay, by the data you have given for training. Now, let's move to the step four. You have built the model. Now, step four, we check how well the model performs on unseen data. Means you have, suppose you have given this data set, okay, for training the model. Now you will check your data, sorry, model by giving a new data on which you have not trained the model. Okay, then you will check, okay, how your model is performing on unseen data. Step by prediction. The trained model predicts output for new data. For example, predict price of a new house. Okay, on which you have not built the model, you have not given the data for training. Okay, so that is what machine learning is. Okay. So let's see some real world examples where machine learning is used. YouTube recommending videos. These are some examples which you see in your daily life. Okay. YouTube recommending videos, Netflix suggesting movies, Instagram, Facebook feed recommendations, spam email detection, face unlock in phones, Google Maps traffic prediction, Amazon product recommendation. These all examples you see in your daily life, right? So this is because of machine learning. Okay. So that is what machine learning is. From the next video, we will discuss every machine learning topic in both practically and theoretically. Okay, in both ways, we will discuss machine learning, all topics. Okay, so that is what machine learning is. So that's all in this video. Thank you.